I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my video. Today's video is a grocery haul. This is for 2 weeks dry goods. I also have to go to Walmart because I went to Harris Teeter today, but I have to go to Walmart to get meat because even though I love Harris Teeter, they didn't have a good sale going on in terms of meat. So I have to go to Walmart tomorrow, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the dry goods, and I think we did pretty good considering that we got some name brand stuff and then the other stuff. And then because my sister works for Harris Teeter, I was able to get the family discounts. I got an additional 10% off of my purchase, so it was worth it. In total I spent $96, and that's good for 2 weeks. And what we have going on is the pantry rotation system, where we replenish what we use from the pantry and also from the refrigerator. That way we don't spend any we don't waste money on just random stuff. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so you're gonna see a lot of familiar stuff and then some just random stuff. We got pizza for tonight's dinner, so we don't have to worry about that. We stopped at Little Caesar, and we got 3 boxes of pizza and I believe wings. Yeah. That's not included in the $95. That was separate. That was just hubby spoiling us because it's Super Bowl Sunday. So whatever theme you are rooting for, I hope they win. All right, let's get into this video. So we have some long grain white rice. I want to do better when it comes to carbs, but for right now this is what we can afford. So yeah, this was, I don't even know how much it was. Then we got cheese galore. Harris Teeter have this thing where you buy 2 cheese and you get 3 for free. So we spent about 6 something on 2 because they were $3.39, and then you get 3 for free. They used to be a lot cheaper, but anyways, we got whole milk mozzarella, we got sharp cheddar, we have triple pepper, we have another sharp cheddar, I don't know why, and then we got Parmesan. We have 2 things of 18 eggs. I don't know if this is gonna last us. I think I'm gonna have to pick up another one. That big case from
the big case is 30.
30. And how much is this? 2, 8, 16. 30. 36. No. 36.
So you get more.
So we get more from
The
this?
other one is 30.
It's 30?
Yeah.
No, it's 60 eggs
Oh.
in the big container. So I'm gonna have to grab one of that from Walmart. It's like $3. We got some marshmallow. Is this saying marshmallow or marshmallow treasures? I don't know, but
Marshmallow.
yeah, we have cereal
That's how
here.
you spell marshmallow?
I don't know. Don't get me.
Marshmallows.
We got 2 things of peanut butter because they were on sale, 99 cents. So we got that. And then we got some Go-Gurt. These were 3 for $5. So I got 3 to stack up on their snack containers. So I know they're gonna love this because they've been consuming. Why do I use such big words? They've been eating. Consuming. What? They've been eating the Walmart brand one and not, you know, Go-Gurt. Whatever. You guys know what I'm trying to say. We have some canned stuff. So we have corn. We go through corn like it's nobody's business. So we have corn cream. We use this in our cheeseburger soup because it's cheaper than buying heavy whipping cream. We have corn. We have potato, more corn. We have green beans. We have more cream of corn. Then we have 4 things of tuna. I don't know why hubby only got 4. This is the biscuit I've been searching for. Can't find it nowhere in our state. And I went to Maryland and found the Sweet Hawaiian. If you haven't had Sweet Hawaiian Grand's biscuit, oh, you're missing out. Please try this, guys. It is so good. It tastes delicious. So of course I got 3 because it was like 3 for $5. We got some salt because we're out of salt. Who's out of salt? Who runs out of salt? Nobody ever, really. We had some butter because it was $2. Hubby likes this better, but I prefer real butter. Is this even real butter? I don't know. Crunchy and smooth peanut butter. Chicken stock. I was in the grocery store and I was looking at this and I was like, I saw chicken stock, chicken cooking stock, and then I also saw chicken broth, and this sweet lady was passing by and I go, what's the difference? But our eyes made contact. We laughed and she said, there's no difference, and she just walked past. And I was like, that is so sweet. It just in that moment it was just like, you know, because she was much older, and it was like, that is so nice of her to just offer her advice, not stop to chit chat or anything. She just go, there's no difference, and just walked off. No smile, no nothing, no hello, no. You know how people are.
Why would they sell it?
I know. She said they're the same. It's the same. And I was like, okay, all right. Well, I guess I'll grab these. I'm used to the broth, not the stock. So we have some chicken hot dogs. We have 3 types of chicken hot dogs. We have some tomato. We have the chili one because I'm about to make chili this week. And then we also have just this guy right here. We got some vegetarian baked beans. This was a sign out with the football stuff for 99 cents. It rang up $3.69, and I go, you know, because we're in the bougie area, and I'm like, I know Harris Theater, when something ring up and it shows a different price, you have to honor it. And I work for Harris Theater, and I know that is their rule, is that if something ring up wrong, they honor the actual price and they don't argue with you. So I was a new guy, and he was trying to tell me that, you know, it's something else, and he went to a manager and she was like, just give it to her. And I'm like, well, I come into your store and I see something marked for that price. That's the price I'm paying, and I'm not leaving until I get it. Call me crazy, but whatever. I got some honey barbecue sauce, hickory barbecue sauce for baked chicken. You know, we're famous for baked chicken. we weren't able to find any the jerk, and we weren't able to find the jerk,
the grace,
and the chimichurri. Ooh, forgot chimichurri. That makes the best jerk. Not jerk, but baked chicken. We have some vegetable. We got some oh my gosh, now I can't say it right. Vegetable oil here. And then we have some onion, more green beans. Thing of trash bag. This was on sale. 55 trash bag. Why we got the little cheap bag from Walmart, and I took it out, 99 cents for 6 bags. Took it out, and the whole side of the bag was just ripped open. It was just open. So don't buy Walmart cheap trash bags. So we got this. It was like $6.99 for 55 bags. So yeah, more corn, more potato, some mandarin orange for the children's snack, and because they're running low. Coffee, because this is my thing these days. This was $1.99 at Harris Teeter, so I picked up milk. We got Hungry Jack for Pancake Saturday. We have more corn. We have Cuban style black beans. I have more vegetarian beans. We eat a lot of beans, can you tell? Coffee made hazelnut, because this is so good in coffee. Yeah. I tried to use milk the other day and I just couldn't get down with the milk. We have some non-fat yogurt because I couldn't splurge on individual yogurt. So what I'm gonna do this week coming for the children is I'm gonna put it in their little separate container and put sprinkles and stuff, hopefully. And then hubby went ahead and splurged and got him his favorite
Does anybody else out there
yogurt. This is his favorite yogurt. Look at it. Looks just like him.
Good.
So he got this is the honey, and then he also got he got 2 honey. These are really good, really good. They're $1 a piece, very expensive. We got Fruity-O's, but in a few months we'll be able to go back to our lifestyle and the way we eat and stuff. We got bread, or we might just continue to be frugal and save our money. We got some hot dog buns. We have hi baby. Oh, thank you. Where'd you get this? Thank you. You want to say hi? Hi. Then we got some applesauce for Maddie. Now she wants it. You want to eat pizza? Go get some pizza. Let Daddy give you some pizza. We got bread for the children. Got 4 loaves of bread. Moving over here, guys. Look at that. 99 cents. 99 cents for a 9-inch. Is this apple pie or pumpkin pie? I'm sorry, I meant to say potato, not apple. I'm very much aware that that is not an apple pie. I just misspoke. What is this, honey? Pumpkin pie?
I think so.
I think it's pumpkin pie.
I think it's potato.
Or sweet potato. Yeah, potato. 99 cents for a 9-inch. So I got 2. I got 2 of those. And then we have some hamburger bun just for variety. And then what's over here? And then we have mango peach applesauce and strawberry. And then yeah, we did all that. We need to get water. So that's it, guys. Okay, guys, so as promised, I told you guys I was gonna put in the clip from Walmart of the meat. So I got 2 things of drumstick. I think we'll be able to get 3 meals out of this if I divide each of these appropriately. And then I got 2 things of ground beef, 1 for cheeseburger soup and 1 for chili. And then Friday is usually yo-yo, and then Saturday we just kind of like, you know, go with the swing. Got these little donut situation for the children lunches. Got some nacho cheese, some cheddar and sour cream potato chips for their lunches, some frosted cookies and cream, Pop-Tart as treat when they do anything really nice or something. I usually give that to them. We have some butterscotch. We have some garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and onion powder. And then, of course, I had to get the 60 eggs. This is less than $4 from Walmart. All of this cost me $35. So far for 2 weeks, we are at a total of $130 so far. So we haven't got meat for next week yet. So if we add that to it, probably be another, it would look like this: 2 drumsticks, ground beef, and it would be, these were $4.71 a piece. So 5, 10, yep. I could definitely get 3 packs next week, and then 2 ground beef, and that would put us around $150 for 2 weeks. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.